Hi, this is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Grain markets finished up mixed yesterday with corn and wheat trading lower while soybeans finished up slightly higher. They've been mixed this morning. It's been kind of quiet the last 24 hours. Everybody's filled with anticipation for today's stocks and planted acres report. So with that said, let's take a look at some numbers here. So Chicago itself is definitely in a frenzy as we got the Chicago Blackhawks parade this morning along with the planted acres report. So sports fans and grain fans are really excited for the day. So with that said, let's jump into these numbers here real quick. All right, so we went over these yesterday, but we're going to go over again. These are the average trade estimates. So this is just the average from the range of estimates from analysts that were subject to interview from Reuters. So we got the Jordan 1 stocks and acres. So let's jump right in. So let's look for corn planted acres. Corn planted acres are expected to come in around 95.313 million acres. That's around 2 million acres less from the March report. Beans expected to come in around 77.933 million acres. It's around 800,000 more than the March report. And wheat's expected to come in around 55.902 million acres. That's around 200,000 more than the March report. So with that said, planted acres we're losing 2 million here, but we're gaining 800 and 200,000 here. So that still leaves 1 million acres unaccounted for that were lost from corn, and those likely went to prevent plant. So those acres just aren't going to do anything for the year. It's just nothing to do with them. So with that said, let's jump into the stocks. Corn stocks are expected to come in at 2.845 million bushels. Bean stocks, 0.442 million bushels, so that's 442,000 bushels. And then all wheat is expected to come in at 745,000 bushels. So with that said, that covers the range of estimates. If you want the full realm of estimates for the report, including the ranges, what was in March and what we got June 12 or the June 2012 report, log in to grainanalyst.com and go to the daily report. So with that said, that concludes the report for today. And go Blackhawks. If you're able to make it to the parade and you're in Chicago, enjoy that. Otherwise, we'll see what 11 a.m. Central holds for us with the report. Have a great day.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by a Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors, such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore, investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.